Hello dear students, myself Vinit Kumar Vasesht from Kite Group of Institution Ghaziabad. Today we discuss the topic of Introduction to Solar Thermal Energy. So first we start the topic, we have to go through the content. Basically in this lecture we have to cover up introduction, classification, solar heating applications, what is solar water heater, silent feature of solar water heater and advantages of solar water heater. So starting with the introduction. As you see in the particular figure, you basically solar thermal is clean energy, highly efficient, means basically comes out from the radiant energy in the form from the sun. And after gaining the radiant energy, we provide the hot water for the domestic, commercial and industrial processes. For an example, we basically, if we have in a container and we have a sunny day, then the container having the water is after some time become warm. So this is due to the radiant heat of the sun. Solar collectors basically work on the same principle, and it is mainly more efficient for the purpose of the solar thermal application. As in the diagram we have to this different application, and solar collector is basically absorb the solar radiant energy, and through the tank passes and the boilers which basically pumping the water pump and basically heat up the water. So classification. So on the basis of temperature we have to classify, there are three categories. First one is the low temperature, less than 100 degrees centigrade. Another one is the medium temperature, 100 to 300 degrees centigrade, and the high temperature, that is more than 300 degrees centigrade. What are the solar heating applications we have? In the solar water heating applications, basically low temperature we have to use solar pond, solar dryer, air dryer, solar still for the purpose of the basically cleaning of the water. In the medium temperature we basically use FPC, CPC, solar cooker, ETC, honeycomb, pattern CSD, that is linear freshener. These are the basic systems, and according to the application basically we have to use cooking, air heating, then refrigeration and AC, and the desalination according to last thing, that is basically purify the water, we have to use the desalination system according to the solar energy uses. And last one is the high temperature, that is more than 300 degrees centigrade, that is the process heat powers. And in this particular segment we have basically used to the systems of CPT, central receiver system, distributed receiver system, and the paraboloids. These are the basic systems and heating applications of the solar heating applications. Now what is solar water heater? Basically solar water heater consists of collector and basically collect solar energy, and insulated storage tank to the store hot water. So the solar energy incident on the absorber panel coated with the selected coating transferred to the heat and rise pipe under the absorber panel. So in this process basically the water passing through the pipes get heated, and basically we have to collect this warm water into a storage tank, and the recirculation of the same water through the absorber panel in the collector basically rise the temperature around 80 degrees centigrade maximum in a good sunny day. So the total system of solar collectors, storage tank and pipelines are connected together. We have to call as the solar water or hot water system. Now we have to move on. What are the features of solar water heater? So these are the solar water heater features. Basically around 60 to 80 degrees centigrade temperature it can be attained during the solar radiations, weather conditions, and it basically dependent on the weather condition. We have to optimize their work performance to according to the selection of the solar collector system and its efficiency. Basically hot water from homes, hotels, hospitals, restaurants, dairies, industries, etc. Basically solar water heating system can be installed in the rooftops, building terrace and the open ground where there is no shadow effect, and the south orientation of the collectors and overhead tank above the solar water heating system. And basically hot water on clean sunny day, particularly clouded, but not in rainy or heavy overcast day. So These are the silent features of solar water heating system. Only soft and portable water can be used. Stainless steel is used to basically making the small tanks where the we have to coating in the steel, mild steel in the inside of the tank. And solar water heater of 100 to 300 liters capacity are suited for domestic applications. Larger system can be used in the restaurant, guest house, hotels, hospitals, industry, etc. Now, what are the advantages of solar water heating system? Basically, fuel saving, avoid cost of generation, environmental benefits. According to fuel saving, a 100-liter capacity basically replace the geyser for residential use and save 1,500 units for electricity annually. And comparison, that is cost of generation. Then how 1,000 solar water heaters of 100-liter capacity can contribute a peak load of saving around 1 megawatt. And what is the environmental effect? In according to the environmental effect, basically 100 liter capacity solar water heater can prevent emission of 1.5 ton of CO2 per year. So thank you.